Hello everybody, Floppy Hat Photos back here again for all my 52 new restaurants in 2016, or 2018, wow, wrong year. 52 new restaurants in 2018. So went ahead, today's new restaurant is a pizza place called Lennys, and it's up in Ormond Beach, and it's a New York style pizza place, these giant pies. I wasn't really paying attention to the sizes. I ordered one of their 24-inch, one of their extra large, where the hell it was, and that thing was enormous. Oh my god, it was so big. It was like 24 bucks, something like that. It wasn't super expensive, but damn, that thing was big. And we got the everything pizza, minus the olives and banana peppers, and they left the banana peppers on, which wasn't a big deal. They put in the full sliced tomatoes, which makes, every time you do that, it makes the pizza a little bit runny in my opinion. But this is the true giant slice, like you fold it in half and eat it, New York style pizza. And the crust was phenomenal. It was very good. Yeah, except for the little bit of wetness. I like the tomato on there. I just wish they would almost dry them a little bit before they put them on, because it always makes things a little bit wet. But went up there, Karen and I and her father, Richard, all of us ended up going there, and it was literally all you could do to eat one slice. They were so big, and it was, oh my god, the service was great. They bring out the table, little tray thing to put the pizza on next to your table, because they know their tables are small and the pizzas are huge. So it's one of those deals where I'm not a big fan of that, because I always think somebody's going to knock my pizza over walking by, and I would rather have it on the middle of my table, which you can do easily by putting a raised tray in the middle. Just put one of the little risers in the middle of the thing, and you'll be good to go. But it's amazing how many places would rather have a little fold-out TV tray looking thing. But it is what it is. The staff was super friendly, very like cordial and stuff. They were filling like blue cheese next to the table, next to the stuff, and it seems like something you do more back in the kitchen than on the table next to people who are eating. But it's kind of more than just, hey, that's what we're gonna do, and it's just what it is. So it's one of those things that I know we never did that when I played restaurant. It just kind of cracked me up. People do that, but the food was good. If you're ever looking for a place, there's two spots. There's Beachside, and then the main location, and we went to the one there on Nova Road, and South Nova Road, I think, actually, but went to one there, and it's a great little place. If you're looking for some decent New York style pizza down in Florida, I would suggest go checking them out. So anyway, that's all I got for right now. I will talk to you guys soon. Have yourself a safe and wonderful day. Thank you for watching, and be sure to get out there and check out new restaurants. Don't eat the same 7 places your whole life. Keep looking around, keep checking it out, and find new places. So have fun.